Hi guys! For today's vlog, silipin naman natin ang office ni SMDC. Our office is located at 14th floor, 2 Ecom Mall of Asia Complex, Pasay City. And this is our first office meeting for the month of February to have a sales planning discussion. And this area here is para sa mga dedicated ASDs natin. May kanya-kanya silang cubicle as their working area. At isa sa pinakagusto ko dito sa office natin, since nasa 14th floor tayo, ay yung view. Kitang-kita natin mga katabing buildings and offices, pati na rin mga commercial establishment na nasa baba. And as a seller, ito naman yung working area namin. We do our client follow-ups here, reviewing the new payment terms. Nag-coffee break na rin kami after. And after that, pinatawag na rin kami ni Sir JBC sa office niya. And this time, pinag-usapan naman namin kung ano mga itinerary namin for the month. Not only for our team, no, ito talagang si Sir JBC, napaka hands-on sa amin at sa buong team na ina-handle niya. And we are so lucky to be part of this company. Aside pa sa pagiging supportive ng mga boss natin, they are also motivating us to become a successful seller. So ayan guys, natapos na rin yung meeting namin with Sir JBC. Nagpa-plan pa sana kami mag-abis, kaso iniisip namin meron pa kaming site tripping kinaumagahan. And before the end of this video, I'm encouraging our kababayan, no, lalo na mga nag-work abroad. If you like to be part of SMDC and our team also, JBC SMB, as an international marketing partner, reach me out through Viber and WhatsApp 099-55-304-716. Or you can search me also on Facebook, Alpi Santillan Alojamiento. And i-discuss ko sa inyo kung paano maging international marketing partner. And that's it guys for today's vlog. See you next time. Excited na kami lahat sa site tour tomorrow. Goodbye!